I'm just going to see if I've got any blow-by. Oh. There's not been an explosion so far. I've got to bleed the whole fuel system, but I've got no one here. Normally you turn it over, someone cracks it off and you wait for fuel to come through and then they crack it on, but without someone to do that, I don't think I can really do it this way. I don't really want to run the battery out either, but I'll keep going. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of air foaming into the pump. I don't know how long that battery's got left though, is the issue. Do I even have a multimeter here? Don't know. I do. Yeah, the battery's nearly done, 12.3, that's pretty much empty. Well, keep going, what else can you do? You know we've got air going to the pump. Fuel, remember? Give it one last go. 10 seconds. You know when you're being a dumbass and you forget to put the code in so the car won't inject fuel? definitely sounds like something metal's running around in there. But it is running. Ooh. Sounds like a valve hitting the cylinder, doesn't it? Time for the scrapyard. I just thought the noise might be a knocking injector when we got a load of air. I really doubt it because that sounded bad, didn't it? In fact, yeah, the system looks to be purged of air, so I don't think that's a knocking injector. I think that's a terminal engine damage, really. Oh, okay, yeah, it's gone. Let me just take you to the damage here. Right, so that bottom one is the one that snapped. If I just go... Ooh! Oh dear. That can't be right. I'm wondering if I just take the little bugger out and just run what you've rung. Loads of blow by still, by the way. Didn't even solve it. What a bummer. What a bummer. Well, I gave it a go. And yeah, I guess the bolt just gave up there. Definitely something's not right. Missing our mirror next. Yeah.